Hi, are you wondering about your liver health? Let's clear the confusion. Has your report shown fatty liver and you are wondering whether you need medicine or not? Not every fatty liver patient needs medication. To know which stage of fatty liver actually required medicine. Hi, I'm Dr. Anita and today I will explain which stage of fatty liver actually needs treatment and when lifestyle changes are enough. But before start video, subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So firstly, I understand what is fatty liver. Fatty liver is a condition where fat get deposited in liver cells. It is very common today due to unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, diabetes, obesity and high cholesterol levels. There are three stages of fatty liver. Grade 1. In this condition, mild fat deposit in liver and usually no symptoms are seen. In number 2, grade 2. In this condition, moderate fat increases in liver and sometimes symptoms like tiredness, heaviness and abdominal pain and indigestion appears. And number 3, grade 3. In this condition, significant fat accumulation in liver and higher risk of liver inflammation, fibrosis and cirrhosis is there. What you should do instead? Exercise daily at least 30 to 40 minutes of brisk walking or light workouts. Number 2, avoid sugar and processed foods. Number 3, reduce body weight if you are overweight. And number 4, avoid alcohol completely. With these steps, many people reverse grade 1 fatty liver in 3 to 6 months very easily. Now we will discuss about grade 1 fatty liver in details. Most patients are diagnosed at grade 1 and this is where confusion arises. In grade 1 fatty liver function tests are often normal. There may be no symptoms at all. In such cases, medication is usually not required. In grade 2, fat accumulation in the liver is higher and some symptoms may start appearing. Common signs include fat around the abdomen. Number 2, fatigue or a feeling of heaviness in the body. Number 3, indigestion or discomfort after meals. When medicine may be needed, if liver function tests are elevated. Number 2, if you have obesity, diabetes or high triglyceride levels. If symptoms are noticeable and affecting daily life. Even when medicine is prescribed, lifestyle changes remain essential. Medication alone never enough to reverse fatty liver. And grade 3 fatty liver is advanced stage of fatty liver. Here medicine is usually required. Sometimes even special liver supplements or therapies are also needed. Without treatment, it can be progressed to fibrosis or cirrhosis. When to take medicine? Medicine is usually needed when fatty liver is grade 2 and grade 3, LFTs are elevated, diabetes, obesity and high triglycerides are present. Symptoms are significant. For grade 1, focus on diet, lifestyle changes and daily habits. So at last I want to say that not every fatty liver patient needs medication. Lifestyle is the foundation of treatment at any stage. Regular monitoring of liver tests is essential. Consult a doctor before starting any medication. Self-medication can harm your liver. If you want to learn exact diet, exercises and Ayurvedic tips for reversing fatty liver naturally, watch our full guide on our YouTube channel. Thank you.